Hello, today I will be telling you about the new Fleetguard FS20172 and 20173 fuel water separator elements specifically designed for 2016 and newer Kenworth and Peterbilt truck applications. It is a well-known fact that water in diesel fuel can lead to extensive fuel system damage and costly repair bills. Problems such as component wear and corrosion, biological growth in the fuel, and even frozen fuel lines during cold weather months can all be caused by water in fuel. Through our science to technology approach to product design, Cummins Filtration has developed the first aftermarket fuel water separator cartridge solutions for 2016 and newer Kenworth and Peterbilt truck applications. The Fleetguard FS20172 crosses to Paccar part number K37-1011 and 1029, as well as the FS20173, which crosses to Paccar part number K37-1012. These filters have been validated to provide OEM quality filter performance at a great value to the customer on 2016 and newer Kenworth trucks using the X15 engine, as well as 2016 and newer Peterbilt trucks using the Paccar MX13 engines. The Fleetguard FS20172 is our 10 micron option that features our fully synthetic advanced water separation media that we manufacture in-house for optimum contamination and water removal. The Fleetguard FS20173 is our 30 micron option that uses a conventional cellulose or paper media for particle removal and water separation. Both feature an internal sealing gasket, whereas the OE filters offer a 100% plastic sealing surface. Next, we're going to take a look at the serviceability of these two filters on this OE housing. First, we're going to use the clear bowl wrench to remove and break loose the clear bowl from the OE housing with the OE cartridge installed. Then, remove the clear bowl from the housing and place it over to the side. Next, remove the OE cartridge and place it over to the side. Then, remove the used O-ring on the clear bowl and install the newly provided O-ring with our filter kit. Then, using the provided grease packet, apply grease to this outer sealing gasket and ensure that you apply the grease all the way around the gasket so that it seals properly onto the housing. Using the provided grease pack, squeeze some grease into this internal area, and then using your finger, apply the grease all the way around this internal sealing gasket. And this will allow for ease of installation. Place the cartridge down into the clear bowl, come over to the housing, apply an upward force, and then the threads are allowed to engage, so then you may tighten down the clear bowl onto the housing. To do the final torque, you should use the clear bowl wrench. And now, once you prime your engine is ready to start. By choosing Fleetguard products, you know that you are protecting your engine with the best in filtration. And remember, nothing guards like Fleetguard.